Hello, so this is my CP Air B747-200B that I'll be unboxing today. This is 1/400 scale. I'm going to be starting a Kai-Tak model airport, so this will be one of the first aircraft to make its landing here. These aircraft went, I believe, into Toronto and Vancouver airports and flew into Kai-Tak. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so now the thing is unboxed, and sorry about any wind that you guys hear. It's I'm filming up on the roof today because it's very nice to be up here. Very nice. We moved to a new house and I'm really loving it, so I decided to make the most of it and go on the roof. So yeah, you'll see sunlight changes and lots of background noise like the goddamn lawnmower. So here's the box. Very nice detail. I love the picture. So a really nice model. Right, let's get it out of the box. I messed up the box a little bit because I'm stupid and I was impatient and I didn't want to wait to get it. Alright, so, oh wow, it's really well packaged. This guy did a really good job of packaging this, honestly. There's some styrofoam stuff going all over the place, so I need to grab that. I will be back when I grab that because I'm not... Alright, so after cleaning up all the styrofoam bean, god damn it, really? I'm gonna leave this in the video because, this happens because we're right next to Long Beach Airport, pretty much. We're pretty close to it, so it gets very loud at some times. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I don't know what the audio is like. So we have the instruction sheet kind of thing where it lets you install the gear or make it look, or make it look like it's flying. So very helpful. And then we have the display stand, which allows you to display the aircraft. I don't know if you can see it right there, but that's the display area and you can put the aircraft up on display. Obviously I'm not going to be doing that, but it's a nice touch. So let's get to actually unboxing the thing. Alright, so we've got the model out. There's some nice paper. The guy, whoever I bought this from, did an amazing job with packaging. Yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful model. Empress of Canada. Registration is CP Air Boeing 747-200B. This is the Empress of Canada. If the thing will focus, it doesn't want to focus today. It does not want to focus. Come on. I don't want to focus, but just please. Please. There we go. It'll focus for a moment. I went back to blurry. I'm still learning how to use this camera, guys. Okay, come on, give me some slack. Well, anyway. Oh, now you want to focus. Okay. God damn, it's so hard to see. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a good. Oh, god damn. There we go. Oh my god. It's a very nice model. I do really like this aircraft. Obviously, we won't have too many of these because they didn't fly these into Kai-Tak too much. But it's an absolutely beautiful model. This is the first 747 for 1 to 400 scale that I've collected, and I can tell you this is probably not going to be a one-time thing. I'm definitely 100% almost going to be investing into this hobby along with my model railroad. Yeah, it is a beautiful model. I really like the look of this. It is actually kind of heavy, surprisingly, but I've never owned one of these, so wouldn't really be able to tell you otherwise. Yeah, there's the cockpit. CP Air titles. Empress of Canada, you can't really read that. I'll add a little arrow right now to show where that is if you have really good eyes. And yeah, so that's the model. It's a beautiful model, and you can even change the gear location. Not location. Where the gear is facing, I think. Can you do that? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, you can see it's kind of to the left or right now. Yeah, it's I like it. I recommend this to anyone who is a vintage collector or is going to be starting a vintage collection anytime soon. This is registration Charlie Foxtrot Charlie Romeo Bravo, Boeing 747-200. Yeah, it's just I do enjoy this model. It's a very nice model. I do expect that the Dragon Air A320, which was the last flight to land at Kai Tak before the switch to Czech Lap Cook International Airport, hope to be getting that soon, and that's like one of the only domestic, or not domestic, narrow body aircraft that flew into Kai Tak, because most of the planes that were flying in were either 747s, A330s, stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one, which will hopefully be an airport update. Have a nice day, everyone, and hope you enjoyed.